Make-believe ideas.
Never touch a panda. 3 jigsaw puzzles. Giant touch and feel pieces. Includes a fun wild animal board book. You must never touch a panda who pole vaults with bamboo. If you make him wobble, then he might just land on you. You must never touch a giraffe who slam dunks balls with ease. If you make her miss the shot, she'll leave you in the trees. You must never touch a rhino who is really big and strong. If you make him drop his weights, then you won't get along. So never touch these animals and don't be a bad sport. But you can be a winner too. The ball is in your court.